Hey, what is going on, guys? So here is another fidget spinner unboxing. I got this entire box. I have no idea what's in here. I just know it's some kind of fidget spinners from Banggood.com. So I'm gonna open these up, see what I got. Hopefully I got some new ones that I don't already have. Also watch the end of the video, guys, because this is a special giveaway. It's gonna be I named five winners for a giveaway, and I'll tell you guys what it is at the end of the video. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. Let's go ahead and get right to business. Ah! Man, what the? It's like a box and a... What the freaking... Oh shoot. Oh my goodness. This is so weird. I thought it was fidget spinners. They're like flower pots. Bluetooth flower pots. Look. Oh my goodness. They sent me a ton of them. Look at these flower boxes. I mean they're like music pots. They're Bluetooth, like little pots for plants, I guess. This is entire, oh my goodness, that's crazy. Why in the world would they send me, Bluetooth? Either they sent it to the wrong person, guys, or they're hoping that I'm gonna do a review on these. That is super weird. Man, that kind of sucks. I thought this was a whole entire thing of fidget spinners, man. Like, that kind of sucks, but I don't know. Maybe these are super cool. Let me open these up and look at them. Oh shoot, so they're actually... Wow, it's an actual flower pot. Look. It's a flower pot. I guess you put like plants in here, and you can play music. It's a Bluetooth. I don't know. I'm gonna cut the video here. That kind of sucks. I was expecting like a big old box of spinners. All right, I'm gonna cut it here, guys. I'm all sad now. Man.